close as I seem to be able to get. Alright, well this is my new summer job. We've got 1,000 acres here of corn and oilseed rape, about 400 acres of oilseed rape which we've done already, and this is the first of the corn. Well, I'm on corn carting today for a little bit of variety. This is just a little shot of it. The baler's in here, combine's away up there, I'm just waiting to get a load myself. Anyway, that's all I'll tell you now. Oh, by the way, that field just over there is 130 acres. I'll be cultivating that when it's cut. Turn round, turn round. Catch me buzzard. There's the view again from my window. Cornfield over there. He's cultivating this one. I did that one over there this morning. Finished it off down in the last one. Now my buzzard is down this field here somewhere. I'll see if I can get it. Right, this is our 130 acre field. Now we're just about to start combining. Lo and behold, it's a Friday afternoon. This is the first load on our Friday evening at 5:30. And I'll just show you a bit of Jim's farm while I'm at it. We can get past this 130 acre field. Now, as far as the eye can see, it's all Jim's. Now, we've cultivated all those fields over there. They were oilseed rape. Right back to there. And that's Jim's mum's house in Bala. His fields are away at the back here as well. And some of his buildings. Yeah, 1,100 acres altogether. And then as well. I'm just on my way out the field. Our big 130 acre one. Just trying to catch up the combine. Little deers in there. Can't really see them, but they're there somewhere. There we combine, and they're just about to load up. Myself, I'm waiting for the next load. Alright, well, we've just about finished. It's a Sunday afternoon, and we've just about finished our 130 acre field. That's it there. We've got a lot more to do, but that's the lot. We hope we'll get it finished. It's getting a bit cold and it's going to rain tomorrow. Well, that's it. We're nearly finished. There's a tiny wee bit left from our 130 acre field. That's a bit of it. Catching up on all the music. Good old ABBA. There's me buzzard. Lovely white one. I suppose I'll be back up here again. That's a wee view of the countryside, the farm, Alright, well this is a beautiful Saturday afternoon. We've had a lot of rain in the last fortnight. And then we're back underway again. I just thought you might like to see this little view I have.